girl Mai here from Iman Designs, back with another video. So today I am gonna be doing an organization video. So I wanted to organize our walk-in closet. It's pretty crazy. I'll show you guys what it looks like later. And I wanted to pick up some items from our Dollarama, the best place ever. Gonna go to Dollarama, gonna go see if I can find some things. I have a lot of bags. Your girl's a fashion girl, so a lot of bags, shoes, stuff like that. Let's see if we can find some stuff, organize, and then go back home and start getting into it. Let's go. If you're new here, my name is Maya, and I am sharing the upgrades and renovations I'm doing in my condo. So if you want to stay tuned, seeing DIYs, transformations, creativity, graphics, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And let's clock it.
I just heard about the things that you do, my love. And you're just like me if it's true, my love. Hey, you can see
Look at these basket guys. So this is more the kitchen aisle. I'm just checking to see if I see anything that could maybe be reused in a different way. Again, we're trying to organize and put some structure, but let's go into the home aisle. This is right now just like cleaning and kitchen. Oh yeah. Look at this. It's too small for a purse, but maybe you can find some organizers. Look at these. These can be maybe used for like shoes or something. I don't know. I have a shelving that I'm trying to repurpose that I can use, so maybe not. So I want to do these black little hangers. So, you know, instead of 100 different color hangers, we have these. So I think I'll get a couple of these and throw them in. Ooh, look, they also have these pant hangers. So I have a lot of clothes, so maybe we can shove that in there. Oh my god, yes! Shelf dividers! Oh my god, this is why we love Dollarama, $4. So, yeah, thank you. Back home, I got some stuff at Dollarama, got a couple things, and I'm trying my best to reuse and recycle what we already have and just try to just help organize it. So let's take a look at what it looks like in there, and you know, we're gonna fix it up, okay? So as y'all can see, there's a lot of stuff. Lots of bags and purses, and then the stuffy, and then my clothes there, and then Ben's clothes here, and then all those bins full of other clothes. So yeah, let's start by taking everything out and putting it on some new hangers that I got. This is a beautiful, oh my god, beautiful goat. It's a goat fur, sheep skin coat that belonged to my granny because she was that girl back in the day. So if you didn't notice, I really like having jackets. It even has a zipper. So, gosh. I gotta get rid of some stuff. I have so much stuff. It's just like, shoot, what do you do? Keep them all? Yes. And then you want to buy more stuff, but then that's not good. It's not helping. So you gotta do a cleanse. But look, we got my side almost done. I had to do this shoes. I think we're gonna move that out. Vacuum. And yeah, do the top, everything. Everything! I have a lot of shoes. I got these sandal thumpers. I got like 3 of this kind of shoe. I got these little fluffy heels here. They kind of look like a brat style shoe. So cute. Nice, really long, like dominatrix kind of looking thigh high boots. But they freaking hurt. They just look nice. They squish up your toes and that's it. So yeah, I have this like stand. This was like something that I recycled from my previous place with my family. So I was like, hey, I could put my shoes on it. So I'm thinking of moving it from this side of the wardrobe because all my coats hang here above it and you kind of see it, to this side. So I'm gonna move that. We're gonna move it out first, and then after, like, take down all the purses, look at, and vacuum. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What are we? They like, what he on? Okay, guys. This is all my purses. Yeah. So, and then that's Ben's little corner of shoes. So we gotta figure this out. Gonna look crazy. I know. Okay, relax. Damn. Gonna take them down. And like, I got some dividers and stuff. So hopefully it works. I have a vision. Just get back to it, damn it. Somebody gotta do it. I take the G-pad here. Watch a nigga do it. Little coach. Little throwback. Love this one. This is from L'Intervalle. It's one of my favorite purses. Like, look at this. Berryish color with the snake kind of skin. You can wear like meow, or you could be like meow. Yeah, I admit that. Hey, black out if they act out. Yeah, I did that. Hey, what's up, though? I hate a bitch that's hating on a bitch, and they both hoes. I hate a nigga hating on them niggas, and they both broke. If you ain't coming for no chili, what you come for? Nigga feel like he entitled cause he knew me since a kid. Bitch, I cut my granny off. Okay, guys, so look, it's empty. So now we're gonna vacuum, and I'm gonna clean the top of these, undust those, and get all the dust out, and then look crazy, goodness, crazy scratch. Sorry. Get to the assembling of making this place look nicer. Okay. Hey, let's talk about the distractions going on elsewhere. So I got the shoes displayed, you know. So this is I put the heels on the top, tall ones over here, little shorter ones over here, my sneakers. And I got these these hangers. I got a few of these velvet ones, so just so it all looks the same. So I'm gonna hang back up our coats and jackets, and then, you know, work my way up to the purses. Yes, I'm good at it. plastic containers. So I was like, oh, I could put them up here. I could put them up here and like put my purses in them. And I put stuff underneath that. Underneath here. Maybe. I don't know. We're gonna see. I don't know. Okay guys, so we got a lot done. So we got some stuff hanging, we got some purses organized at the top, Ben's clothes, my shoes. But I still have a whole bunch of like, I have like 1, 2, 3, like 4 bins of just clothes that were in here. So I need to like take them out, maybe make separate piles of what I want to keep, what I don't want to keep, do a little bit of a purge, and then organize it so it looks neat and tidy in here. So let's get into that. So I still have these dividers that I got that I haven't used. So see about that. And then I have these 3 extra baskets. So I'm gonna put these on the side, start folding some stuff, and like let's make a purge of keep, no keep, not the season kind of thing. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Feels like okay guys, so we're finished. I'm so happy it's done. So now it feels more tidy, more organized. I can see everything, and you know, I had a lot of stuff. I did a purge. I got rid of a lot of stuff too. Still have more stuff to get rid of, but you know, we'll get to that through another video. So let's get straight to the reveal, and I hope you guys like it. So pack your legs and throw your keys up. Take a round, 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 round. And I'll be damned if I can't slow dance with you. Come pour some sugar on me, honey, too. Okay guys, so that's the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And let me know what else you guys would like to see. If you want to see some other stuff, some other DIYs. Do you want me to take a break from doing some DIY stuff in my house? Do you want more creative digital graphic stuff? Let me know. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And yeah, bye!